back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Summer Fab Fit Fun box. Here's what it looks like. Humongous. The first thing I got was an add-on item, and it's just a daily slip-on exfoliator for self-tanning remover. Just a nice product to have to help take off your self-tan. And we have our magazine here. And the first thing that I got is a blush pineapple shaped ice mold. That's cute for the summer. You can make little pineapple ice cubes. Well, the book doesn't seem to have all the little details and the pricing and everything this go around, which is weird. It has a couple of items, but it doesn't have the ice tray price or details or a lot of the items I have, so I'm just going to go through it with you guys. And then the next thing that I got is, it's by Society 6. It's a roll-up picnic blanket. That's really cool. I thought that would be cool to have if you do go to the park or the beach and need something to sit on. And then I got by Ebates, I believe is how you say the brand. And it's their resistant bands. So we have two resistant bands here, two different sizes, two different colors. And then it's supposed to give you 2 months free of the Ebates fitness programs. It says you can work out live with the best instructors in New York City every day and enjoy 5,400 plus on-demand workouts 24/7. It's the best fitness party anywhere. Real life, real results, and really fun. And it says those bands, it's one light band and one medium band and a carrying bag. I'm going to keep that so I can get the 2 months free. And we have by Spun Gel, one of the bath wash infused sponges. We've gotten these before. This one's in Tea Blossom. It says cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. Body wash infused buffer with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. Probably not saying that right. Then we got by Soar their clip-on selfie ring light. This I think I'm going to put into the giveaway bin because I have a Lumi case on my iPhone, so I don't really need something like this, but it can be useful if you don't have that type of case. Then by Baublitz we got a build your own bracelet kit. And this is probably something I'm going to end up giving to my nieces so they can make their own bracelets. Just not something I'm really into, but it is a cool item to get. Got a Smooth Things Over pedicure file by Barefoot Scientist. So it's just a foot file. Not something you would think to get in a subscription, but it's something that most of us do use, so I guess it saves you from buying a new one when it's that time. Here's what it looks like. It has two sides to it. And then the last thing I got is by African Botanics, their Shimmering Gold Oil. This one I think is too dark for me. I don't know if it's going to go on that color. But I have one by Sol de Janeiro I already use, and I still have almost the full bottle of. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway bin as well. And that's all I got in the Summer Fab Fit Fun. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't too impressed. Usually I'm more excited about Fab Fit Fun, but this go around, there wasn't really anything really exciting. I mean, there are a few cool items that are nice to have, but nothing like over the top. I think last summer we got the Tom sunglasses. That was really cool. You know, summer sunglasses kind of goes together, so I thought we would see some of those maybe for customization, but there weren't any. But I usually do really love my Fab Fit Fun. It still is a nice variety of stuff that you get, and this is the first one in a very long time I've been kind of on the fence about. It's not that I don't like it, but it could have been better. I'll have a link below if you're interested in subscribing to Fab Fit Fun. They do come every season, and this is the first one in a long time, like I said, that I just haven't been wowed over, but most of them I've been really wowed over. You get really expensive products. I've gotten Impression Vanity products that I really like and I still use day to day. The sunglasses I use a lot. I mean, there's just all kinds of things that I've gotten over the years that have been really nice to get in a subscription. So check them out if you're interested below. It's $49.95 per season. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, hit subscribe before you leave, and thank you for watching. Bye.